In this tutorial, we will cover how you can use Screencastify and your HoverCam at the same time. So to do that, I have, of course, an ongoing Screencastify recording since I'm doing a tutorial right now. So I had to take a snapshot of the menu to demonstrate what you will have to press at the beginning. So you are going to use your desktop option here, this one right here, and you are not going to choose to have any web camera open. You are just going to use your microphone because Screencastify will record on your screen what you are doing. So when you are ready, it is desktop, microphone only, and then you record. One thing that I will tell you, before you hit this record button, I want you to have your HoverCam Flex 11 software open in the background before you press the record button on Screencastify. That is going to make it not glitch out. Okay, so when you're ready, after you press the record button, you will immediately go to your HoverCam software. And I'm just going to hide this screen sharing toolbar. And you are set. You have the full toolbar that you can use on here. You're not going to use the recording part because you are recording using Screencastify. So you can do your side-by-side feature by using one of your snapshots. You can do multi-screen. You can do any of these. You can do a live lesson. And you can use Screencastify and the HoverCam at the same time. So why not use just the recording feature? I like it because of the convenience of using Screencastify, because if I go back to Chrome here, once I press this stop button, it's going to stop and it's going to load my video right into my Google Drive, and I have capabilities through there to upload it to Google Classroom or YouTube right away. So I don't have to dig through my File Explorer to then upload it to my drive. So I like it for the convenience. So I hope this helps on how you can, and what people called app smash, two apps, HoverCam and Screencastify, together to help you in your classroom to do blended to remote learning.